one helps the other. However, when trouble begins to brew, they call for the queen of the ducks, the firefly. No one knows where she comes from or how old she is. But all know she's a creature of great wisdom and has magical powers. Hey guys, guess what I've heard this morning? What? Princess and Angel missed a catch last night. They missed a mouse?